G'day, Paul and Kyle here from OEM Audio, showing you our integration kit we've fitted into this 2009 Nissan Murano using our CP interface. So obviously it's Japanese import, the frequencies are still in the wrong band, but it's got a band expander fitted. But if you simply press the TV aux button using your connected iPhone, here's one we prepared earlier, you have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is pretty cool in itself. Normally we've had to use a remote control to control them, but our clever technician Stu has managed to get this to go. It's all working via touchscreen. So you can listen to your music, you can use your navigation, you can use whatever app you've downloaded on either Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, and you're all good. So it's touchscreen, so it makes it very, very useful. We don't change any of the screen. You don't have to spend a whole lot of money on a new unit. It's an integration kit that takes a good technician probably 3 hours, would you say, Kyle? Yeah, about 3 hours to install. You keep the factory look, and a late model, nice car like this does make it a really cool device. So you can buy these from us here at oemaudio.co.nz, or come and see us in College Street, Sydenham and Christchurch. We can ship them online throughout the country and Australia, or phone us on 0508 636 283. And before I finish, I'll just say it works with, hey Siri, call Kyle Wilkinson. And there you go. It'll even ring Kyle. So we'll hang up, and we'll thank you very much for watching.